everyone, welcome back to Carpe Diem with Ridhima. This vlog is again about Thailand. Okay, this trip was kind of deja vu because Rashnika and I had already done Thailand in May, that you guys know. But here we were again in September. This time my cousin Mrudula also joined in, and what was supposed to be a work trip somehow looked vacation. Well, मैं कुछ important tips बताने वाली हूँ, so please वीडियो को end तक देखिए. We started from Mumbai, and since we are total night owls, especially me and Rashnika, we prefer midnight flights. Why? Because we love two things. Because first, we don't want to waste a day in traveling, and second is watching sunrise from the clouds. We booked our flight and hotel through Pick Your Trail just 4 days before leaving. Luckily, it wasn't peak season, so no crazy crowds. Quick tip. You must apply online for your Thailand digital arrival card, which they have started from 1st May, and in my last vlog also I have mentioned about it. You get it instantly, and though immigration people may or may not ask, trust me, it's better to be safe than sorry. Oh, and did you know Indigo now has started direct flights from Mumbai to Krabi. But while booking, double check if your flight is landing in Phuket or Krabi, because though it's just a 2-hour drive, cab charges can pinch a little. This is my personal experience. Now why we prefer Krabi over Phuket, उसके लिए मैं एक अलग vlog बनाने वाली हूँ after ये series खत्म हो जाए उसके बाद. After the airport formalities comes the most important thing, midnight snacks. Comfortable flight, peaceful snooze, and a beautiful sunrise. We landed in Krabi. Immigration was smooth. Krabi airport is small, so no long queues. Rashnika grabbed a SIM at the airport, which costed 500 baht for 10 days with unlimited data. I had my Matrix eSIM from India, but honestly, the local SIM is a better deal because unlimited data milta hai. Pro tip: if you are 3 people, 2 SIMs are enough. If you guys are going to be together, then and one person can always manage with hotspot. Can book a cab from the airport, but since we had booked through Pick Your Trail, our cab was already booked. Our cab driver was waiting for us. Of course, the first official stop in Thailand has to be, you know what, 7-Eleven. He didn't understand our English, but the moment we said 7-Eleven, he nodded and then उसने Google Translate का इस्तेमाल किया और बताया कि थोड़ी देर में आ जाएगा. We were quite hungry. Then we reached our favorite, Des Inn by Bendham, Aonang Krabi. And surprise, we got a room upgrade. Big shout out to Jerin, the super sweet front desk manager. Since check-in was later, we dumped our luggage at the reception and walked down to the beach. The first view, the cliffs, the calm sea, the salty breeze. Oh my god, pure therapy. After our little return to paradise moment, we grabbed a few munchies from 7-Eleven and chilled by the poolside restaurant. Their main restaurant is under renovation, but breakfast by the pool with a sea view, no complaints there. This hotel wins for location, cleanliness, super friendly staff, full marks. And यहाँ पे next door 7-Eleven है and there are so many restaurants around, so हमें ये location बहुत अच्छा लगता है. After check-in, we freshened up, hit the beach. got ourselves a relaxing Thai massage, which is mandatory, and Rashnika decided to get her hair braided, her Thailand look activated.
Only one. Hi. You want more? No. Thank you. Thank you. Peanut.
How much? Then we took one tuk-tuk and then went to landmark Aonang night market. It's one of the liveliest spots in Krabi. Think fairy lights, sizzling grills, live music and the aroma of coconut and spice floating around. From clothes and souvenirs to food experiments, it has all. और हम एक दूसरे को बोल रहे थे नो शॉपिंग बिकॉज क्राबी के 4 दिन बाद हमें जाना था बैंकॉक और वहाँ पे शॉपिंग तो होने ही वाला था. सो वी सेड नो शॉपिंग फ्रॉम हियर. वी वर लिटरली कंट्रोलिंग ईच अदर कि नहीं करना है नहीं करना है. एंड अब मैं सोचती हूँ कि हम लोग ने कितना खाया है वहाँ पे. मृदुला These shorts for 120 baht are very nice.
Sorry, I'm just. This is the inhaler.
ये इंडियन रुपीज है. My norm mixed it.
We tried grilled crocodile meat, Rashnika and I. उसकी टेस्ट कैसी होती है? Well, I found it like थोड़ा सा चिकन और थोड़ा फिश. जितना मैंने हॉरिबल इमेजिन किया था उतना हॉरिबल बिल्कुल नहीं था. यू कैन ट्राई. देन मैंगो स्टिकी राइस, कोकोनट आइसक्रीम एंड दोस. देन पैड थाई.
Sure. That's it. How's it?
My favorite. And we had grilled ice cream. I had it for the first time, and it was so good. It's ice cream covered with marshmallow and then उसको ऐसे caramelize करते हैं. It is so nice. I mean, please, if you go there, please try this.
Oh.
Thank you ค่ะ
एंड यहाँ पे एंटरटेनमेंट के लिए भी काफ़ी कुछ होता है, लाइव म्यूजिक होता है, पायरोटेक्निक्स, मोर फाइट्स, सो इट्स गुड फन. This night market to the resort is about 10-15 minutes walk. So we strolled back to our resort under twinkling fairy lights, full happy and already excited for day 2. This was our third time in Krabi, but trust me, ऐसे लग रहा था ना कि there are so many things we have not explored. So that was day 1 from Mumbai skies to Krabi sunsets. If you're planning a trip soon, save this video. There's more Thailand goodness coming your way. And don't forget to tell me what's the first thing you do when you land in Thailand. Hit that like button, subscribe and keep exploring Carpe Diem style. Love you all. Take care. See you soon.